up guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the Asus P6T Deluxe V2 motherboard. This motherboard is based on the Intel X58 Express chipset. It uses the new LGA 1366 CPU socket, and it supports the Intel Core i7 and the Intel Core i7 Extreme CPUs. The power circuitry design of this motherboard is pretty impressive. It uses a 16 plus 2 phase power design, as well as it uses 100% Japanese made solid state capacitors, Ferrite core chokes, and lower RDS on MOSFETs. This motherboard supports both NVIDIA SLI and ATI Crossfire X. This motherboard features Asus's ExpressGate SSD technology, which is a built-in solid-state drive on the motherboard that has a bootable OS that boots up within 5 seconds, and on that you can browse the web, check your email, look at pictures, and use messaging applications such as Skype, AIM, and Yahoo Messenger. This motherboard also features Asus's Super Hybrid engine, which is composed of the Turbo V and EPU chips. If we take a look at the box, this is the front of the box. This is the back of the box. This is the left side of the box, the right side of the box, the top of the box, and the bottom of the box. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside. Alright guys, I went ahead and took everything out of the box, and what we got is a Northbridge heatsink fan, a screw pillar for the heatsink fan, Asus Q connectors, a Asus Q shield, a powered by Asus chassis sticker, the driver CD, the user guide, a USB 2.0 and FireWire 1394 bracket, a SLI connector, a IDE cable, and 6 SATA cables, 3 of which are right angle SATA cables. And last but not least, we have the Asus P6T Deluxe V2 motherboard. If we look at the bottom of the motherboard, we have the front panel connectors, a reset button, a power button, 3 USB 2.0 headers, a FireWire 1394 header, and a floppy header. Taking a look at the expansion slots, there is a 3-pin fan connector here, a PCI Express X4 slot here, a PCI Express X16 slot here, 2 PCI slots there. This is the ExpressGate SSD module here, and then on the bottom there is 2 more PCI Express X16 slots. On the side over here we have a IDE connector, 4 SATA ports, 2 more SATA ports, and another 3-pin fan connector. Looking at the top right of the motherboard, we have the triple channel DDR3 slots, 2 more 3-pin fan connectors, and the 24-pin power connector. And along the top of the motherboard is the 8-pin 12-volt CPU power connector and a 4-pin CPU fan connector. And if we take a look at the CPU socket, here is the LGA 1366 socket. Here are the Japanese made solid state capacitors. The blocks are the Ferrite core chokes, and underneath the heat sinks are the lower RDS on MOSFETs. As far as the 16 plus 2 phase power design is concerned, here is one 8 phase, another 8 phase, and the plus 2 phase combined together, and that equals 16 plus 2 phase power design. And if we take a look at the I/O panel of this motherboard, you'll see there is 2 USB 2.0 connectors, a PS2 connector for both a keyboard or a mouse. You can use both on this connector, a optical out, digital coax out, a gigabit LAN port, 2 USB 2.0 ports, eSATA, FireWire, 2 USB 2.0 ports, gigabit Ethernet, 2 USB 2.0 ports, and the 8-channel audio ports. So there you have it. That's been a quick unboxing video for the Asus P6T Deluxe V2 motherboard. I'm going to be using this motherboard in an upcoming Core i7 build. If you haven't checked out my previous videos, I'll post some links, but stay tuned to my channel because I'm going to have a lot more videos to come. See you guys later.